Today, let me introduce our entry-level dashcam, the VS103B. It features a compact design with a single lens, integrated mount, and Type-C power port. At the back, a single control button and micro SD card slot keep operation simple. With its mini-body design, it easily fits in your palm. Installation is simple, just attach the dashcam to the windshield and using 3M adhesive mount. Plug in the power and the dashcam starts working automatically. After connecting to the DashGo app, the dashcam can be easily operated directly from your phone. The VS103B records in Full HD 1080 pixels, delivering clear footage both during the day and at night. It also supports essential features for everyday driving, including event recording, loop recording, and expandable storage. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use dashcam for daily driving, the VS103B is a smart entry-level choice.